Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest across the theme parks, events, entertainment, and even throw in some sports. Today we come to you back to the Universal Kids Resort here in Frisco, Texas, as we close out the month of January 2025. Wow, where did the time go? Last time we were here, this site was covered in snow. Hey, no snow today, so let's go! We head north into the theme park. Coming out of the hotel, we start on the western side, first stopping at Gabby's Playhouse, which as you can see extends off the left hotel wing. As we head into Trolls Land, you can see that the two inside attraction buildings are looking pretty solid. Outlined in front of these buildings are markings for a green lush area that continues east into the roller coaster attraction, which we'll see more in a bit. Up in the top left of Trolls Land, you can see fervent progress on this covered amphitheater or stage space. As Shrek greets us into his part of the woods, we see two cranes stationed outside the northwest building within this land. It looks to be part of an indoor queue or somewhat, but it is too early to say at this point. As we say goodbye to Shrek, we pass over the large anchor and unknown attraction that is exterioristically formed out, and head into Jurassic World or Camp Jurassic, named TBD, and head right into the newly developed Junior Coaster attraction coming online now. Wow! Since we last visited, walls have gone up on this northeast Jurassic building just north of the Junior Coaster just shown, and to the right of this building, we can see a brand new structure being formed. I tell you what, Universal is not messing around when it comes to the blistering pace to be open in time for FIFA World Cup North America in 2026, June. Kick it up, let's go! As we look south into the Minions Waterway, located in the Central Park, we see more walls being formed for the waterway. Just to gain a perspective of the depth of dirt excavated here, take a look at the 12-foot ladder along the walls. If you know Blippi, he would have a field day here with these minions. SpongeBob welcomes us as we look into the interior of the buildings in his world. Hey SpongeBob, get to work! You are slacking compared to your other friends, let's go! As we gaze into the heart of the hotel, as I made mention just 2 weeks ago, the third floor would be going up. Lo and behold, we can see the third floor walls installed on the west wing, and imagine in 2 weeks when I come back, this action will likely be complete across the entire hotel. Notated back in our November update and now coming onto your screen is a Trolls roller coaster attraction that will start progressing soon. As our friends say farewell to us today, we thank you for allowing Theme Park HD to bring you this exciting Universal Kids Resort Frisco update. Please like and subscribe to our channel, as in just 2 weeks, we bring you the next update, the 1st of February 2025. Let's go!